friends, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today I'm going to show you how to propagate a panda succulent. Panda plant is a velvety green succulent with brown spots on the tip of the leaves. Like normal succulents, it requires very little water, and it is a great plant for indoors because it doesn't require too much sunlight. If you put it on the south facing windowsill or east facing windowsill, it will do great there. So this is a great plant for beginners. And it is really easy to propagate too. So there are two common ways of propagating. One is by leaves and one is by cutting. And I'm going to show you both today. So I have this panda succulent growing in this container, and it's growing sideways, which I don't like. And if you notice, I have put a leaf in the soil and it is growing roots. So that is another thing that, but I don't want to disturb that just yet. But I want to take a cutting from this and plant separately. So I'm just going to cut it here on the top. And now I have this cutting. So I'm going to just remove the bottom leaf and put it here. I think one is enough. Now there's enough space for it to go inside the soil. And in this planter I have succulent soil mix, but I'm not going to plant it just yet. I'm going to let the callus form here, and once the callus forms in 2-3 days, then I'll place it there. I see this leaf is kind of broken, so I'm going to just remove that also there, and this one is also broken. So if you look at this plant here, you can see that was growing from this leaf and it is slowly drying up. So now I want to take it out and plant it separately. So I'm just going to pull it out. Oh, look at this. This is a separate one. And there is another one here which grew. It's a little deeper. I'm going to just go a little deep, bring it out. Look at this. It has this long root. And it is growing another one. So here is my pot where I want to plant this. It has succulent potting soil mix. So just going to put this one in the middle and just cover the root with the soil. And I have moved the mother plant to the middle because it was on the side, so it won't grow nicely. And so now I have this mother plant which I'm going to water, and then I have that other plant where we have just planted that leaf, and I'll keep you posted. So it's been 1 week that we got this cutting. We cut it from the mother plant, and if you look at this, the callus has formed. So now it is ready to be planted. So in this planter I have succulent potting soil mix, and so I'll just make a hole and then just put it there. I'm going to water it a little bit, and then I'm just going to leave it inside because that's where it was, and as it starts to grow I'll keep you posted. And here is my another panda plant. So this has been sitting inside on my east facing windowsill, and it gets morning sun and it's growing happily. And the other day when I took it out, I noticed that it has, some roots hanging from the bottom. So probably this planter is too small for it now. So I want to transplant it. So I have this planter in which I have put, succulent potting soil mix. If you don't have succulent potting soil mix, if you have regular potting soil mix, you can add some coarse sand to it or some gravel, tiny gravel to it, and that should be fine. And of course, the planter should have good drainage because succulents don't like to sit in wet soil. So I'm just going to take it out, and some of the roots will break because they have gone out from the bottom, but that's fine. I'm just going to put it here and just fill around it with soil. Probably I'm going to put some more soil in it, and I'm still going to keep it where it was because some roots have been broken and I don't want to give it further shock of the weather. So I'll water it a little bit and just leave it where it was inside the house, and as it starts to grow I'll keep you posted. So it's been a few months and here are all our panda plants. So this is the one that we planted. We just put it in a bigger planter here, and this has at least doubled, if not more. This is like really thriving, and this is now sitting outside in partial sun. This is the one that we, that leaf was developing roots and we planted. It hasn't grown too much, but it is growing. I can see, few leaves coming out. So it is fine. And this is sitting inside. This is the one in which we had cut one stem and planted here. And interesting thing is that we had put some leaves here and they have started growing. This one, and here is another one. So 3 leaves have started developing new leaves. So, and here is the cutting we planted, and this is growing fine too. So basically, we planted the leaves, we put some fresh leaves here and they have started growing. We transplanted this one. This isn't growing too much, but it isn't dead. So that means it will grow sooner or later. And this was the cutting we planted. This is doing great. And this was the transplantation of a whole plant. And this is like really thriving. So it is pretty straightforward, for the panda plant. You can grow it from the leaves, as you can see here, or you can grow it from the cuttings. That works too. And you have to just make sure that you don't put it in, harsh sun, because that will burn the leaves. And you don't want to put it in complete shade either. If you want to put it inside, put it on the south facing windowsill. And if you are putting it outside, then put it in partial sun. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.